We got a new mascara from e.l.f. It is their IncrediCurl. I have very stubborn eyelashes. I'll show you actually. Just grow straight down. So I have to curl them. The good thing is this is not saying that you don't need an eyelash curler. At least on the box it doesn't say. I am gonna curl my eyelashes because that's just how we do it over here. On the directions of the mascara, it says to open it, remove any excess, okay? And then to position the curl part at the base and then go up. And you can do zigzag motions. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna curl real quick. See, curling makes a big difference. At least for me it does. Really opens up my eyes. This is a good eyelash curler. The Japanesque on the curl, the little one that I usually use, is fantastic too. All right, let's see. We're gonna open this up. Oh, nice, okay. Doesn't look like it takes out that much when you take it out of the container. It's oh yeah, at the end. All right, so I'm gonna follow the directions and I'm gonna just put that back. Looks like there's little fibers here. I'm gonna look down and stop talking. Oh. This feels, it doesn't feel very wet and it doesn't feel very dry. It's very, how can I describe it? It almost feels like waxy, I guess. Not in a bad way. It's just, I'm thinking texture wise. Holy crap, that looks really good so far. Oh my god, did e.l.f. just make a mascara that I really like? I'm gonna close my eyes so I can get the tips a little bit better. Guys, I think we have a winner here. Hold on a second. There's definitely little like fibers here that lengthen. Oh yeah, there it is. Did you guys see that? This is good. This is good. Oh my god, this is good. If you have little wimpy lashes like I do, that's good. I forgot how much it was. I think it was like $8 or something, or maybe it was $5. I don't know, but I like that. It's under $10. I know that. Look at this difference. Look at that. Guys, the review's over. It's good. Holy crap, this is good. This is very good. So it definitely has like little fibers in it or something because I could see it on the wand. Definitely remove the excess. You do get you do get a decent amount when you pull it out of the tube. So just put that back in there. It's like when they're curved, because I can really get to the base of my lashes, and especially when I'm doing my left eye. I'm right-handed. It just makes it easier. This is a mascara that I am definitely going to buy backups of because this definitely rivals my Judy Doll. And you guys know I love my Judy Doll mascara, but this gives like volume and length. And it's not annoying to work with. Guess who's ordering more mascara? Me. That's amazing. I mean, listen, I love a good mascara because it just, especially for somebody like me who doesn't really wear like eye makeup, it just, I don't know, it just does something to the eyes. It's good. It's a good one. Go try it out. You're gonna like it. Yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one.